The U.S. Congress is scheduled to review the India-US strategic partnership next week, focusing on defense cooperation, emerging technologies, trade frameworks, and regional security dynamics. The Pentagon has cleared a $52.8 million foreign military sale to India for a new batch of anti-submarine Sonobuoys aimed at deepening defense cooperation. An Indian Army major has developed Sapperscout version 2.0 multi-role unmanned ground vehicle for mine detection, surveillance, evacuation, and weaponized payloads. The second HTT-40 series production aircraft successfully completed its first flight at HAL's Aircraft Manufacturing Division in Nashik. India has issued a NOTAM warning for an Indian Air Force exercise in the Arabian Sea, located about 200 nautical miles from Karachi, and the danger zone is only 70 nautical miles from Pakistan-controlled airspace. The Indian Army has begun deploying a low-cost nesting drone upgrade on T-72 tanks, allowing commanders to launch and recover a micro-UAV directly from the turret without exposing themselves. The Indian Army has issued an urgent requirement for lightweight collapsible fuel drums that can be airlifted by helicopter and safely stored in extreme high-altitude mountainous terrain. Gliders India Limited has showcased its fully indigenous brake parachute system for the Egyptian Air Force's MiG-29 fighter jets, with Egypt seeking alternative suppliers due to strained Russia-Ukraine logistics. India has begun developing its own ring laser gyroscope technology for future submarine programs, a major step towards self-reliant high-precision navigation traditionally dominated by foreign suppliers. The Indian Air Force held a Rafale operators conference with teams from multiple bases, senior commanders, and industry partners, focusing on operational refinement, maintenance best practices, and new technologies to further boost the Rafale's combat potential. Russia has offered India unprecedented full-cycle technology transfer and licensed production of the Lancet-3 loitering munition, which is the deadliest variant of Russia's kamikaze drone family. Russia is exploring a proposal to transfer select technologies from its Yasen-class nuclear attack submarines to support India's Project 77, which aims to develop 6 advanced nuclear attack submarines. Discussions have focused on pump jet propulsion, sonar system, acoustic dampening materials, quiet hydrodynamic design, and weapon integration like 1,500 km range Zircon hypersonic missiles. Russia has formally offered India its 3 M14E caliber PL submarine-launched cruise missile, giving Indian Kilo-class submarines and Scorpion-class submarines a deep strike range of 1,500 km, using existing 533 mm torpedo tubes with no structural changes, that will provide a potent strike capability across the Persian Gulf to the Malacca Strait, while remaining undetectable underwater. During Russian President Putin's visit, Russia has offered India the opportunity to acquire 2 to 3 squadrons of Su-57E fighter jets off the shelf, along with local production rights under a revived FGFA program with India-specific enhancements. Russian officials have also expressed a strong willingness for India to join Russia in the co-development of next-generation technologies, that includes 6th-generation fighter platform, unmanned man-teaming systems, and even future bomber technologies. Moscow has highlighted that multiple next-generation Russian aviation programs are already in the works for early 2030 rollout, and Russia has emphasized that they want India to be involved right from the ground level, ensuring that India is part of the development process from the earliest stages. Today's top 3 comments.